Vlogmas Day 2. I have been running all over the place today, trying to get everything done before our friend is here, and also Christina's brother is staying the night tonight to watch the animals. So sweet. We're seeing LSDREAM tonight. I can't even, and Super Future and Zingara. It hasn't really, hit me yet because I've just been so, go, go, go lately. There has been so much going on, moving into an Airbnb for a month, and we moved here, a week ago. I think it was, a week. Oh my gosh, there's been so much going on, but I'm trying to get as much cleaning done as I can before Angelica comes here, and then her brother is coming later on. I wanted to put Christmas decorations up too. Let's see if I can do that. Let's see if I can also put some Christmas decorations up, clean, and tidy up, which is also cleaning, in 25 minutes. Okay, I'm done cleaning for now. It looks pretty good. I mean, it's not perfect, but it looks a lot better than what it was. But I'm gonna try and hang up as many Christmas decorations as I can. I found these. I got this huge bag of Christmas decorations on Facebook Marketplace for $15. So I'm gonna try and find all the big items. I'm gonna try and hang up all the big items as much as I can before they're here. We gotta go. Added these to the fridge. Cute. Okay, let's keep going. Added these little snowflakes. Look how cute. And then a candy cane over there. Cute. Oh my gosh. There's so many of these things that I almost miss.
Call from unknown.
Oh no. Oh no, baby's calling. That means they are on their way.
Oh my god. I picked him up and shows on. It's so big. Oh my god. He's a heavy one. He's not a puppy anymore. Oh, he's this big. Oh, big baby. Oh, you big baby. He needs a gym. We can just pick up Cooper. He's got a little puppy eyes. I know. He's got such sad eyes too. He can't do anything wrong because he gives you those sad eyes, and then you're like, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Don't let him lick you.
I know.
You're holding him, so.
Okay. Look, and he's just chilling. He's not even fighting being held.
Oh, he loves
He likes it. He likes it.
He didn't used to though. He didn't like to be
Try to
held.
hold him.
No, I don't think it's a good idea.
This is champagne.
I'm still confused. What is this?
It is champagne.
Oh, okay.
No, it is.
Did you get who got champagne?
I did. Well, we made it.
What?
We made it right now before you got here.
You've never made champagne?
No.
It's mock champagne.
Oh, so there's no alcohol.
No.
Okay, that's why it tastes so good.
Yes.
Cheers to LSDREAM.
LSDREAM.
And to leaving on time,
Yes,
which is
it's
2
gonna happen.
hours. On time. I don't think it's gonna happen. It'll happen. It'll happen.
Yeah. 2 hours.
That was terrible.
Really? I thought it was pretty good.
I just taste the cinnamon apple sauce.
I just taste rubbing alcohol.
Yeah, it's really not that bad.
Oh my gosh.
Babe got me, what did you say, one gift to open up every day until Christmas?
Mm-hmm.
This is the first one. Does that mean I get to open up 2 today?
That's there's 3 in 1. There's 2. There's actually 4 in 1. So yeah, you're opening more than one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So she said these first. Wait, it doesn't matter which one? Soap. A battery. Have I guessed it yet?
I don't know.
Oh, it's batteries. I was like, what? Self-discharge. sounds a little scary.
Self-discharge?
Look, it says professional self-discharge. Next one.
They're rechargeable.
Oh, okay. SD cards. Oh, one SD card. What is this? A paper shoot? Whoa, what the heck? What the heck? What is this?
So it's a camera that you like put together yourself, kind of. So it's like the case and the camera, and then like the batteries and the SD card that go with it, and then everything else in here is like things that go with it. But that's all I'm gonna
Oh wow! So I can't
So
put
you
it
say.
together
Yeah,
yet?
you can put. I gave you everything to put it together, so you can use it. But it gets more exciting as the days go by.
Whoa! Create a camera? What the heck? Whoa. Okay.
Oh yeah.
I probably shouldn't open this right now.
It looks more complicated.
She
than
said it's very simple. You can see the motherboard.
Yeah.
Hold up, wait, yeah, I think that somebody coming.
The next morning we had breakfast, and then for the rest of the day we worked on RV repairs. We got so much done this day, and I just didn't even think about picking up the camera. I swear I filmed so much more, but I guess I didn't. But we replaced the carbon monoxide detector. We had to replace our 2 house batteries. Now our solar is all fixed. Woo! We replaced a light. We fixed the LED light strip, and we couldn't have done it without our friend Angelica. So thank you so much. We appreciate you more than you know. You have no idea. We don't know what we would do without you. So shout out to Angelica. But yeah, this is what we did for the rest of the day. And then the next day, I did not feel good at all. So you're not going to get a vlog from me for December 4th. But I do feel so much better today. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Our friend the mechanic.
So cool. Nice.